Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here at the workbench. And I wanted to take a little time because I saw a video from one of our fellow woodworkers. And he sort of got onto a topic which I've thought about for years and always wondered. And I just never knew for sure that I was thinking the right thing. So this YouTube content creator and fellow wood enthusiast brought up a good point. Woodworker. Woodworker. There were no woodworkers. Not in the beginning of our craft. Think about it. There were joiners, sawyers, millwrights, wheelwrights, coopers, cabinet makers, furniture makers, plane makers, and on and on. A worker was known by their trade. Housewright, carpenter, miller. And then when you get into other crafts, coppersmith, silversmith, goldsmith. And he went through the whole entire history of woodworking. So it is only a modern term within my generation. If you look at books, and I have some books, old books, they would say cabinet making, furniture making, the art of the joiner, and so on and so forth. It was only after World War II, as he explained it, where people had more money, they were home from the war, the country was booming, everybody was starting to go into factory jobs and office jobs, and that feeling of creativity that a worker had when working with wood was something they wanted to continue in their garage or basement workshop. But they weren't isolating their skills to just one trade. You know, one day they might be putting a shed together, 2x4s, carpentry, and you have to put a roof on it. That's roofing, siding, trim, sash, doors. All of these used to be individual trades, but now they were all brought together as one. and there were all sorts of magazines and books teaching the basic skills, mostly centered on electric machine tools, until that one special magazine, Fine Woodworking. And that's where they started highlighting the woodworker. And so I want to thank Rex Kruger for pointing this all out. It has been on my mind, along with thousands of other thoughts, for many, many years. Where did the woodworker come from? So that's about it. I'll leave a link in the description box to Rex's video. And if you go watch it, do me a favor and write a comment and say, Dusty Splinters sent me here to watch this video. He found it insightful and entertaining. So, like, subscribe, and share. Head out to your shop, Mr. Woodworker, and go make some shavings. Walter out.